So this question was done in 1989, Maths Paper 1, question number 2, and we are told to factorize. Now, you note here we have two unknowns. We have A and B. So we consider one as a constant, that is B, and A as a variable. And when you are factorizing, we need to get two numbers such that when you add them, you get the coefficient of A, and when you multiply them, you get the constant, which is 36. So you are supposed to get 15b, which is a constant, minus 15b, and we need also 36b squared. So what are these two numbers? We can use the factors of 36 to come up with those two numbers. So we can say 1b multiplied by 36, b, that will give you 36b squared. But when you add them, you cannot get. So you get 2b multiplied by 18b. That should also give you 36b squared. The other one is we have the 3b multiplied by 12b. This seems to it can give us something, because if we put minus 3b and minus 12b, that should give you positive 36. When you add the 2 minus 3b plus minus 12b, that should give you minus 15. So it means we can use that. Now, so we rewrite our expression and say this is a squared, then we have minus 12ab minus 3ab, then plus 36b squared. So that is how we modify our quadratic expression. So here we factor out what is common. Here A is common and A is common. So we are left with A here and minus 12b. We come to our second part. What is common here? We can see that 3b is common, but we factor out minus 3b so that whatever will remain inside the bracket will be the same as what we have in the other bracket. So this will have a minus 12b. So you can see now what we have, this is common, which we can factor out and say a minus 12b is common, and when we factor out this, we will be left with a minus 3b. So we have factorized. Remember, when you are factorizing, it is when you are able to write a quadratic expression in factor form. So these are the factor form, and that is how you work out that question, and you earn yourself 2 marks.